In this video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about Adobe Premiere Rush. Please give it a big thumbs up at the end. Please like and subscribe. If you go to create new project, select the videos, photographs that you want to use. So there you can see 1, 2, puts them in order on the timeline. So now you've got them on the timeline. You can choose the aspect ratio down in the bottom right hand corner for your social media channel or wherever you're pushing your videos to. So here we've got 2 clips, the countdown intro. So I'm moving the timeline with my finger there or mouse. So we can see the shortened clip. So now we highlight the clip and we go to top right hand corner transitions and we choose a transition so it blends in very easily. And we set the time on the transition to whatever time we want. So I like to have transitions run for a certain amount of time. So they blend in nice and smoothly. So it's not a jump straight from one bit of video to the next. And so that looks better. So now we've gone up to top right hand corner and we've got tapped on the blue cross up in the top left hand corner. Media, and now we're choosing a piece of music. So I just randomly chose this music. I don't know what it's like. So you can see it's exceeding. Now it's my time to shine. When your time comes, we're going to have to trim the piece of music. So we tap on the timeline where the music is, and then we go up there to cut and then delete. So you can move a timeline there for the music with your finger if you want. So we've gone up to top again, and we've got different options like expand audio, duplicate or delete. So again, I've gone up to transitions. Now I've gone to audio, down on the right hand side, second one up, and you can adjust the volume for the clip you're using.
Find the intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten.
Up or down, you can mute the clip. You can see the premium features there: audio volume, balance, sound, noise reduction. So we've gone up to the top left hand corner again and we've gone to the media. I'm recording my voice now.
Five, four,
I'm doing
three,
a countdown here.
2,
It's not
1.
quite in sequence, but I can always move that. So I've gone to media again, and I've gone to put an overlay on. I move it up with the mouse. So we've got picture in picture. So I've highlighted the clip, moved it to the position where I want it on the timeline above. I'm going to split the clip. Then delete it. So then I've gone across to edit, and then I'm going to position the clip where I want it. I'm going to adjust the size of it, size of the clip. So here I'm cropping the top and the bottom. Cropping the left hand side and then the right hand side. This video is going to be like I'm creating a video presentation. I'm going to move it over to the left hand top corner. And reduce the scale of the video.
Three,
When we
two,
play the video
one.
again, we can see our overlay picture in picture at the top. So it's as though we're running a presentation with a person talking to the person on the camera.
2, 1.
So there you can see I've tapped on speed over on the third run up on the right hand side. I'm just in the speed on the split piece of video I've created. As you can see, you can duplicate clips as well. So you can adjust the opacity. You might want something to blend in. You can flip it. You've also got the move the video around as well. Horizontal position, vertical position, rotation. At the top you've always got an undo as well if you make any mistakes, or redo. Top, those tools are up in the top right hand corner. So here we're making it look more cinematic by chopping off the top and the bottom. This is the aspect ratio again. I'm just showing you what it looks like if you push this out to YouTube or other social media where you have it in a, you can move the video around so that you've got the person sat in the right position, centralised in the middle of the screen as well. So we've gone back there to 16:9, I think it is. So I've gone over to the right hand side and I've clicked on the T to enter text. So I'm going to go to titles, and then we over type what we want in there. By tapping on the screen and just over typing it.
One.
So you can go to that search box and type in subscribe, and you can bring up subscribe buttons. So graphics, so we've gone into graphics. You can change different aspects of the graphics there. So to have more impact, I put black lines around the wording "Welcome to our product," so it stands out more. You can change the font there as well. So gone up to text again, and then we've gone over to edit, and so I've typed in end screen. You can see an end screen subscribe there. So we've got an end screen there. So I've tapped on it, and now I'm over typing my channel. So you can move these things around with your finger. So you could duplicate the end screen and have it twice on there to run on the end of your video. Here you can see me adding the feathered edge. Parts of your video. Overlays with opacity and stuff like that. It's up to your imagination. So there I'm flipping the video, and I've put a blur on the outside. Now I've gone into the presets. You can adjust the intensity there. You can create your own custom presets. Then you can save it. So just click on the three dots at the top right hand corner and go to custom presets. So by going to edit, you can adjust different things in the preset that you just added. So what I've done there is I've made him look a bit like a cartoon character. As you can see, the inlay remains the same. So when you're ready, go up to the top to share, and you can export the video to wherever you want. And you leave it to render. If you realise you've made a mistake, you've always got that video there in your projects that you can go back and adjust it. Or you can cancel out of the video that you're rendering now. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you want to see other short clips of this video, information that's in this video, it's on the end. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.